Welcome to Ray's Toolbox. Today I'm going to take some vinyl lettering off of the truck. I've had some decals on my truck for some time now. They're starting to show some wear and tear. Today I'll show you how to remove vinyl decals or graphics without damaging your paint. This method works on cars, trucks, campers, trailers, any vehicle that has vinyl lettering on. This is the best way I've found to get them off. I'm going to use a heat gun to heat up the decals to help them loosen up and come off more easily. A hairdryer would be safer to use. The hairdryer does not get as hot as the heat gun. You want to heat up the decal enough to let it release. You don't want to heat up the paint too much or burn the paint off. After the decal is warm, use something to scrape it off. Don't use a sharp putty knife. That might scratch the paint. I use an old credit card most of the time. Today I'm going to use a plastic scraper. With anything, be careful not to hurt the finish of the vehicle. This larger YouTube button is a vinyl that's still intact. After warming up the decal just a little bit, it's easy to get a corner loose. Then just peel the decal off in one piece. The lettering decals here are cracked everywhere. They won't come off as easily. If you have old cracked vinyl lettering, this process makes removal much easier. Again, be careful not to heat the paint up, just the decal. These won't come off in one piece or as easily as the other vinyl. After they are warmed a little, it's possible to scrape off the bulk of the decal. The adhesive on these stay behind. I'll show you how to remove the decal adhesive after the vinyl's gone. That won't be a problem to remove later. First, I'm going to take all the lettering off with the heat gun and some patience. After the lettering is gone and the adhesive is all that's left, it's time to switch tools. There's a lot of different ways to get adhesive off. My choice is alcohol in a spray bottle. It will soften up the adhesive enough you can wipe it off. I'm not too worried about hurting the paint or finish with alcohol. I use real time on the camera for this one letter to show you how long it takes. As you can see, it only takes a few sprays from the spray bottle and keep rubbing over the area before the adhesive comes off. With a little bit of luck, I'm going to leave my logo sticker. If it happens to come off, no big deal. Since I have so many letters to do, I'll get all the adhesive loose first. Then I'll take a final pass to remove everything. Now that everything's off, I'm going to give the area a good wipe down, a good cleaning, and give it a good coat of car wax, just to help keep it all sealed up. I've taken several decals off using this method. It works pretty good. So far I haven't had any trouble. If you have a favorite method that you'd like to use, put it down in the comments. Let us know. It might help somebody else out. Hey, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Ring that bell, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.